हेलो गाइस। इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले उसे सुनना ज़रूरी है, तो हम आज पहले वही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फर्स्ट, लिसनिंग। लिसनिंग इज़ आर्ट एंड इफ़ यू आर मास्टर इन इट, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So listen English every day, at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. Is this a bread? No, it is not. Is this a cake? Yes, it is. Is this a bus? No, it is not. Is this a train? Yes, it is. Is this an apple? No, it is not. Is this an orange? Yes, it is. Is this a dog? No, it is not. Is this a lion? Yes, it is. Is this a car? No, it is not. Is this a bus? Yes, it is. Is this a jar? No, it is not. Is this a jug? Yes, it is. Thank you for watching.